This is an RPNB product, the RP311F. This was marketed by Amazon Basics at one time as a desk-mounted firearm safety device, and it's one of the most poorly designed products I've examined. It allows for mechanical bypass of the latching mechanism. It allows for the reset or registration button to be accessed. It has a weak lock, and it's not really designed to be used. If I try to draw a handgun out of this and keep my index finger extended to avoid sliding my finger inside the trigger guard, I jam my finger on the hinge. It doesn't matter whether you're left-handed or right-handed. The way the hinge is designed, you can't avoid jamming your finger on it. And if you try to holster a gun in this, again keeping your finger on the barrel, you're jamming your finger on the hinge. Now about mechanical bypass. The latching mechanism inside of here is assembled on a tray which is screwed into place. The orientation follows the contour of the box, so the tray is at an angle like this. This hole opens directly over the top of the mechanism, and I can reach in with a piece of coat hanger wire. And I'll reach in right over the electronics, and now I have a piece of coat hanger wire next to the release. Inside of here is a spring release latching mechanism, and there's a short release wire running along the front. I just have to pull on that wire. And if I'm careful to draw my coat hanger wire out slowly, I can avoid snagging any of the electronics and avoid damaging the mechanism. And I'll demonstrate the device is still functioning. Now this hole opens up right beneath the housing I described, and within an inch and a half of this hole is the reset button. It's completely unprotected and waiting to be pressed. First, let me show you that my thumbprint is not enrolled in the system. Nothing happens. So now I'll grab a toothpick and stick it in this hole to find the button. Then I'll press it and hold it for 3 seconds. And the damage is done. Now I need to talk about this lock. It's a mini bore tubular lock, not to be confused with the micro bore tubular lock that Gun Vault is using on some of their products. I don't like this lock for 2 reasons. First, every one of these I've come across has only 4 pins in it. This pick, which is an HPC pick, will open 7-pin locks, but I've never seen one of these with 7 pins. Second, I can't endorse a lock for which there is a specific tool made to open it, and that doesn't require any skill to use. Actually, I can't endorse anything this company sells at all.